Here we have a 2013 Prius V. We're going to make a modification to keep mice out of the interior. You look here just behind the engine, there is a large hole. This is where air goes into the cabin. If you reach down, you can actually put your fingers right on the top of the cabin air filter. So that opening is open all the time. What's normally in this space is a tray and the wiper arm assembly. So that's been removed. You can get a good look in there, and we are going to cover up that to keep mice out. So first thing we do, make up our cardboard template that fits over the hole. You can bend it into place, easily cut with scissors. And then I use a piece of hardware cloth, and that is going to be adhered in place over the hole to keep mice out of the cabin. Now we've fitted the hardware mesh cloth, and it is temporarily held in with just some tape. So you got to bend it to fit, get it pretty close to in the right shape, and then use tape to hold it in place. The better the job you do fitting, the less work the tape has to do. Tape is only temporary until we use some adhesive to hold that in place. Going with adhesive because it doesn't modify the car at all, doesn't add any fasteners, not going to add anything to rust, and if you ever need to get in there and modify it, everything can peel right off and be put back on. Alright, there it is. Not pretty. I only had a white silicone caulking. Once the tray for the wiper assembly is put into place, you'll never see it unless you're a mouse. So no big deal. I'll pull the tape off once the caulking has cured, and should be good for many years. I've done this in also in a Sienna, and pretty much the same exact procedure. Sienna has a big hole there too. Dimensions are a little bit different, but it'll keep mice from making their way in to the passenger compartment and causing a mess or smells or all sorts of other things you don't want. Hope this is helpful.